Dear students, it is a multiple choice question based model question paper 2 of the mathematics subject. Now let us solve the questions. See the instruction here. 4 choices are given for each of the questions. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Here 40 questions are there from the mathematics and each carry 1 mark. Now the first question. The value of x and y which satisfies the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals 16 are. The value of x and y which satisfies the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals 16. You know that linear equation in two variables. Here the two variables are x and y. Are having infinitely many solutions. So now let us verify. Here only one value must satisfy. So let us do it by trial and error. Now you take value x equals 5 and y equals 2. So it becomes, if you take x equals 5, it becomes 2 into 5 plus 3 into y value you take 2. Then it becomes 2 5 is 10. Plus 3 to the 6, so you got 16. So the values x equals 5 and y equals 2 satisfies the equation 2x plus 3y equals 16. So no need to check for the other 3 sets of pairs, as the first one you got the satisfaction. So here x equals 5, y equals 2. 2 5 is 10 and 3 2 is 6. 10 plus 6 you got 16. So here you can say that option A is the answer. That is A, x equals 5, y equals 2. Then you take the second one. What is that second question? By solving a pair of linear equation x plus y equals 8 and 2y minus x equals 1, the values of x and y are. Here you can use the elimination method. Take one below the other. X plus y equals 8 and it is 2y minus x. Take x below the minus x below the x, that equals what? 1. So here these two cancels by from first and second. These two cancels. So you will get y plus 2y is 3y. 3y equals 9. Then y equals 9 by 3. So you got 3 ones are 3 3s are. Y equals 3 you got. Y equals 3. And then you can take x value. So you can take here x plus y is 3 equals 8. Then x equals what? 8 minus 3 equals 5 also. You can do it here directly, or otherwise you can use the substitution method. That is, you take x plus y equals 8, then you take y equals 8 minus x. Then you take this equation 2y minus x equals 1 and 2 into 8 minus x equals 1. 16 minus 2x minus x equals 1. That becomes minus 3x equals 1 minus 16 equals minus 15. Then you will get minus 3 1s are minus 3 5s are. So you got x equals 5. Then you take here, if x equals 5 means, then you take x equals 5. 5 plus y equals 8. Then y is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So you got x equals 5, y equals 3. You can use any method to find the values. So here option C is the answer. X equals 5, y equals 3. So option C is the answer. Then you take the third question. What is the third question? The standard form of the quadratic equation 3x square equals 4 into 5x minus 3 is. Here you take 3x square equals 4 into 5x. 4 into 5x is 20x and 4 3s are 12 minus 12, and if you transfer this 20x and minus 12 to the LHS, it becomes 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equals 0. Now you observe here 3x square minus, here option D is the answer. 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equals 0. Option D is the answer. You take option D is the answer. Then you take the fifth question. The pair of coincident lines in the following are. Pair of coincident lines in the following are. Here if they are coincident means you know that the equations are in such a way that one coefficient is the multiple of the other. Now you take here x 3x is there, 1 3 is a, 2 3 is a must be 6. So it is not a coincident lines. Now you take here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are there. So directly you can conclude that these two are the coincident lines. Here 2 2s are, 3 2s are, 4 2s are. All coefficients are multiplied by the 2. So you can say that this is the pair of coincident lines. So you can take this one. But you can verify here. Here 1 is there, 1 2s are, 2 2s are. But here 4 2s are 8, 12 is there. Here 1 1s are and here minus 1 1s are and 8 into half is. Therefore option B is the answer. What is the answer? Option B is the answer. Now you take the fifth question. What is the fifth question? The sum of first 15 terms of an AP is 465 and the sum of first 14 terms of the same AP is 406. Here what is given? The sum of first 15 terms of an AP is 465 and the sum of first 14 terms of the same AP is 406. Then its 15th term is. Here what are given? Yes, 15 is given. Yes, 15 is given and then what is given? Yes, 14 is given. You know the relation here. Sn minus 1 is equals to what? An. Here S15 minus S14 is nothing but A50. Here the 15th term is asked. So directly you can get S15 minus S40, that is 465 minus 406. So what is that? 465 minus 406. 465 minus 406, you will get 9 and here 5 is there, 59. So then what is the answer here? The answer is 59. Here you must know this relation. Sn minus 1 is nothing but An. So directly you will get, by subtracting this by this, you will get the, what is that? 15th term. S15 is given, S14 is given. So the 15th term is equals to S15 minus S14. Then you take the sixth question. What is that question? The 20th term of an arithmetic progression 1, 5, 9, 13 is. 20th term of arithmetic progression 1, 5, 9, 13 so on is. Here directly you can use the formula. What is asked here? 820. 820 means A plus 19D. Then A is what? A is 1 plus 19. D is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then you will get 1 plus 19 4 is 76. That is equals to 77. So here the option A is the answer. 77. Next, seventh question. What is that seventh question? If x, 8, 11, y are the consecutive terms of arithmetic progression, the values of x and y are respectively equal to. Here, you know that this is A1, A2, A3, A4. You know that A2 minus A1 equals here, that is equals to what? A3 minus A2, that equals A4 minus A3. You can use that relation. A2 is here, 8 minus x equals 11 minus 8. So you get 8 minus x equals 3. Then transfer here, 8 minus 3 equals 6. You got x equals 5. X equals 5. Then what you are going to get? Next we have to find out y. Y is equals to use this relation, because y is A4 here. That is 11 minus 8 equals A4 is y minus 11. Then know that transfer this 11, that becomes 11 plus 11 minus 8 equals y. That is 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 minus 18 is 14. So you got the answer 5 and 14. That is the option D. Option D is the answer. Next question. Here question number 8. 8x 20 are in arithmetic progression. The value of x is. The value of x is. Here you know that the x is the average of this 8 and 20. So directly you can get x equals 8 plus 20 by 2. If three terms are in AP, middle term is the average of the first and the second, first and the third. So you will get 28 by 2, that is 14. So in this situation, the middle becomes the average of the first and the third, if three terms are in AP. So you can add these two and divide that by 2. 8 plus 20 divided by 2, you will get 14. So option C is the answer. What is the answer? Option C, 14 is the answer. Next, ninth question. Now the ninth question, the first term and the last term of an arithmetic progression are A and L respectively. Then the sum of its first n terms is. Sum of the first n terms is. Children, you must know this formula to find the sum of n terms of AP when the first term, last term and number of terms are given. And also when the first term A, common difference D and number of terms are given. And what is that formula? You know that Sn equals n into A plus L by 2, or Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L. So option B is the answer. What is the answer? Option B is the answer. So note down Sn equals n into A plus L by 2, or also it can be written as Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L. You must know the formula. Directly you can make out the answer here. Next question. Now the 10th question. The roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 81 equals 0 are. 4x square minus 81 equals 0 are. Children, directly you solve the value of x here. That you will get 4x square minus 81 equals 0. Then you transfer that 81 to the RHS. That becomes 81. Then x square equals 81 by 4. So you will get x equals square root of 81 by 4. And you must know the square root of 81 and square root of 4. That is plus or minus 9 by 2. Here square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 81 is 9. So plus or minus 9 by 2. What is the answer here? Plus or minus 9 by 2. So option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Now the 11th question. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 are. Children, you must know the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. and it is already discussed in the video lesson of the quadratic equation, important concepts, hints and basic concepts. So you go through that video, it will be clear. Now you must know that formula, that is the quadratic formula. What is that formula? X equals, you write it first, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and compare the formula. Minus b must be there, here is there, here is there, here is there. Next plus or minus is there, plus or minus is there, plus or minus is there. B square minus 4ac, here b square minus c square minus 4ab is there, so it is not the answer. Here minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a is there, here only 2 is there. So here what is the answer? The answer is option C. So the answer is option C. Here you take, this is the answer. Option C is the answer. So the answer is option C. What is that answer? Answer is option C. That is x equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2e. Now the 12th question, finding the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 12 equals 0 by the method of factorization. The middle term minus x can be written as, here middle term is minus x and the product is here 6x square minus 2, that is minus 12x square, and the sum is, what is that? This is pq and p plus q is minus 1x, and you know the table in which 12 is there, but here you know that as the product is having negative sign, both the factors are having different sign here, they are not having same sign. So you take minus 12x square, so the difference of the factors you will get, you know that this 12 is in the table 4 3s are, 6 2s are, 12 1s are, but here the difference is 1, means you must take minus 4x and plus 3x. Minus 4x plus 3x is minus 1, and minus 4x plus 3x product is minus 12x square. Here you must know the table, and also you must think about this sign. As the product is having negative sign, the signs of the factors are different, and the greater factor is having the sign of the middle term. So here what you can write, minus 4x and 3x. Minus 4x is there and 3x is there. So the option is A. What is the answer here? Answer is option A. 3x and minus 4x. So let us note down the answer. A, 3x minus 4x. Factors are, the middle term minus x can be written as 3x and minus 4x. Next let us take the 13th question. The quadratic equation in the following is. Quadratic equation in the following is. So here let us check one by one. You know that first one, and while bringing this to the form of quadratic equation, while simplifying it, x square and x are cancels, so it is not a quadratic equation. And here second power variable is not there, so it is not a quadratic equation. Here, and the third one you observe here, x is there, 2 by x is there, and x square is there. So if you want to bring this to the form of quadratic equation, the LCM becomes x, and it becomes x square plus 2, the numerator becomes, and here you what you will get, this x into x square becomes x cube. You will get x into x square, x cube. So it is not a quadratic equation. And generally you will get this is x square minus x plus 3 equals 0. But here no necessity of observing all this. Here you once you glance, and naturally you will get this is the quadratic equation. Then you can make out the answer easily. Now the 14th question, in the right angle triangle ABC, angle B equals 90 degree if tan C equals root 3 then the value of the angle A. Here we have to find the value of the angle A. Here what is given? Tan is given, tan C is given. We have to find the value of angle A. And here you know that what is the measurement of the angle C? C equals, you know that tan 60 is root 3. So C equals 60 degree. And one angle is B, that is 90 degree. So next third angle A must be equals to 90 minus this 60. 90 minus 60, A will get 30 degree. Here if you have the rough sketch, then you can verify here ABC, and here 90 degree, C you got, that is 60 degree, and it must be 30 degree. So you can image it directly. So what is the answer? A, 30 degree is the answer. 15th question, if sin theta equals 3 by 5, the value of 1 minus cos square theta is. Here sin theta is given. You know that here you must take the help of the Pythagorean triplet. And if you consider this is the triangle ABC, consider this is the theta. Theta is equals to what? This AB by AC it becomes opposite side, that is 3, AC that is hypotenuse 5, and the third side must be 4. According to Pythagorean triplets, 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplets. So the BC becomes 4. So now you take the cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC. BC is 4 by 5 you will get. Then 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is 4 by 5 whole square, that is 16 by 25. Now you take the LCM. LCM is 25 minus, that is LCM is 25. The numerator is 25 minus 16. Here you take the LCM is 25 and the numerator is 1 into 25 is 25 minus 16. You will get 9 by 15. What is the answer? Answer is 9 by 15. To take 9 by 15 is the answer. Now the 16th question, if sin alpha plus beta equals 1 and cos alpha minus beta equals 1, where alpha plus beta less than 90 degree, then the value of alpha and beta respectively equal to. Here it is very simple. You know that cos 90 is 0, so alpha plus beta is 90, and cos 0 is 1, alpha minus 0 beta is 0. So you take that alpha plus beta equals 90, alpha minus beta equals 0. So here if you add these two, beta cancels, 2 alpha equals 90, then alpha equals 90 by 2, so you will get 45 degree. So if alpha is 45 degree means beta must be also 45, because 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. So which is the answer? Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer, 45 plus 45 degree. Here you must know that sin 90 degree is equals to 1 and cos 0 is equals to 1. Then only you can find the answer here. That is alpha plus beta is 90 degree, alpha minus beta is equals to 90 degree. Here only you can find the answer, because you know that 45 plus 45 is 90, 45 minus 45 is 0. Without doing this, you can get the answer. Now take the 17th question. In the figure, ABC right angle in which angle B equals 90 degree, BC equals 6 cm and angle A equals 30 degree, then the length of AC. In the figure what is given? Angle A is given and its opposite side BC is given. What is how much? 6 cm. What we have to find out? We have to find the length of AC, that is the hypotenuse. And you must know the ratio which is having the opposite side and hypotenuse, that is O by H. Which ratio is it? That is sine ratio. So you have sine 30 degree equals opposite side BC by adjacent side AC. Sine 30, you know, that is 1 by 2, 6 by AC. So you will get AC equals what? 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer here? The answer B, that is 12 centimeter. Option B is the answer. Next you take 18th question. Which one of the following is a correct relation? Which one of the following is correct relation? Here the first one is tan square theta is equals to sec square theta plus 1. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta plus 1. You know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. But this relation is wrong. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. But not tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. And the option B, sin theta is equals to 1 by secant theta is given. You know that sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. 1 by cosec theta. So this is also wrong. And tan theta equals, you know that sin by cos. Here it is given cos by sin. Then it is also wrong. So the option D, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So it is correct relation. So option D is the answer. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. You must know the identities in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Now let us take the 19th question. What is that 19th question? The midpoint of the line segment joining the point AX1, Y1, BX2, Y2. You must know the midpoint formula. What is that midpoint formula? Here, if x1 and x2 are the coordinates and y2 and y2 are the other coordinates, and what is the midpoint formula? You know that x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, or x2 plus x1 by 2, y1 plus y2 plus y1 by 2. Here is there. If you know the formula, you can recognize the answer easily. Here all minus are there. See here, now all the relation negative are there. Only one formula B, that is having x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Also you can have x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x2 plus x1, y2 plus y1 is there. So this is the correct answer. So right, option B is the correct answer. Next one, 20th question. Now the 20th question, the distance between the points A05, B minus 50. Here now let us have these 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So you know that the distance formula is D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is minus 5, x1 is 0. Similarly y2 is 0, y1 is 5. So 0 minus 5 whole square, and you will get minus 5 whole square is 25. Again it is 25. So you got root 50. Root 25 plus root 25 is root 50. That is, you can split into this as a product of 25 and 2. So you will get 5 root 2. Then what is the answer? Option C is the answer. Here in the option C there is 5 root 2 units. So option C is the answer. Now the 21st question, question number 21. In the given graph, the length of BP is, here we have to find the length of BP. And how will you get the length of BP? It is very simple. If you see the graph, in graph, here we have taken 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So you will get 2 units. You can make out easily. But here, if you use the distance from the points, here you know that P and A are at equidistance from the x-axis. So you can have, this is 3 units. and the B is a point which is at a distance of 5 units. From the x-axis it is 5 units. So you can have 5 minus 3 equals 2 units. That also you can have, and roughly you can get it by counting the box, because one box means 1 centimeter here. That is 1 centimeter means 1 unit you have taken. So that you can consider it is 2 units. By observing the graph you can find it is 2 units. The answer is option A, 2 units. Now you take the question number 22. If P of xy divides the line joining A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2. A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m1 m2, then x and y are equals to. You know that it is a section formula. The line joining the points AB is divided by the point PXY in the ratio M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. P is the point which divides the line joining these 2 points in the ratio M1 is to M2. You know the section formula. If you know the section formula, you can make out the answer easily. And you know that it must be M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Similarly, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Here M1 x1 is there, so this is not the answer. Here negative is there, this is not the answer. And here M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 is there. For y, M1 plus y2 plus, here there is a formula. But here the numerators are correct, but the denominators are negative. So here option B is the answer. What is that answer? Option B is the answer. So you take option B. You must know the formula, then you can make out easily. Next, question number 23. What is the question? In the cumulative frequency distribution table given below, the number of families having income range of 20,000 and 25,000 is. Here we have to find the number of families having the income range of 20,000 to 20,000 and 25,000. So it is better to convert this into the frequency distribution table. So you can start it as 5,000 to. Now let us have the frequency distribution table. First one is 5,000 to 10,000. Next 10,000 to 15,000. Then 15,000 to 20,000. Then 20,000 to 25,000. 25,000 to 30,000. And more than 30,000 is there, so you take 30,000 to 35,000. Then you start from here. This is 15. Next 37 minus 15, that is 22. Then 50 minus 37, you will get 13. And here you will get the answer. Here what you have to find out? We have to find the number of families in the income range of 20,000 to 25,000. So you got that. Here 20,000 to 25,000. How many families are there? There are 13 families. So you got 13 families. What is the answer here? Option C is the answer. 13 families having income range of 20,000 to 25,000. Now you take the 24th question. What is the question? The average marks scored by a student in a test of 6 subjects is 18. The sum of the marks scored by him in 5 subjects is 86. Then the marks scored by him in the 6th subject is. Here average is sum of 6 subjects divided by 6. So sum of 5 subject is given, that is 86. Now take the 6th subject is x6. That divided by 6 equals, what is the average here? Average of 6 subject is 18. Then you will get 86 plus x16 equals 18 6 how much? 108. 18 6 108. You must know the table perfectly. Then x6 equals 108 minus 86. So that is 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. So you will get the answer 22. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. So the marks scored in the 6th subject is how much? 22. Next, take the 25th question. 25th question. The median and mode of a grouped score are 26 and 29 respectively. Then the mean of the score is. You know the relation among these three, mean, median and mode, that is 3 median equals 2 mean plus mode. So to get the mean, you must take 3 median minus mode divided by 2 equals mean. 3 median minus mode divided by 2 equals mean. 3 median is 3 into median is 26 minus mode is 29. That divided by 2. So you will get 26 threes are 6 threes are 18, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7, 7 minus 78 minus 29. That divided by 2, and you know that 18 minus 9 is 9, 6 minus 2 is 4, 49 divided by 2, then it is 2 twos are 4, and 9 means 2 fours are 8, and 1.5 you will get. So here the answer is option D is 24.5 is the answer. So mark the answer 24.5. Here you must know this relation 3 median equals 2 mean plus mode. In the question number 26, in the given figure, angle B equals 90 degree, AB equals BC equals 2 centimeter. Then the length of AC is. Here what is given? AB equals BC. Both of them are equals to how much? 2 centimeter. And angle B is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. You know that here we have to find AC. And it is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle as it is side opposite to AC. Here we have to use the Pythagoras theorem, because you know that here 2 and 2 are there, means you can't use the Pythagorean triplet. Then you take AC square equals what? 2 square plus 2 square, that is AB square plus BC square. Then it equals AC square equals 4 plus 4, you will get 8. So AC equals what? Root 8, that is square root of 4 into 2. Then it becomes 2 root 2. Then what is the answer? The answer option A, 2 root 2 centimeter. So you take that answer A, 2 root 2 centimeter is the answer of that question 26. That is the length of AC. You can get it by using the Pythagoras theorem. You must know the Pythagoras theorem, and also you must know how to apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the sides of the right angle triangle. Next, let us take the question number 27. In the triangle ABC, if DE parallel to BC, then the relation which is true is. What is given here? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. We have to find the correct relation here. Here you know that the first relation is, what is that first relation? That is AC by AD is equals to EC by BD. Here BD is there, here EC is there, and then AC is there, AD. There is no any relation this type. So this is not true. Next we take AD by DE. So what is that? AD by D is there, and AE by BC is there. This type of relation is also not true. Then AD by AB equals AE by AC. That is AD by AB equals AE by AC. That you can get here by using the similar triangle. You know that here this two angle AD is similar to triangle ABC, because as this D is parallel to BC, you will get this angle is equals to this angle, and this is also equals to this angle, and this is a common angle. So they becomes triangle ADE and triangle ABC becomes the equiangular triangle, and they are similar. So here you can use the relation AD by AB equals AE by AC. That is, the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are in same proportion. They are in this proportion. They are in the same ratio. So you can use this relation. But if you go to the fourth relation, AB by BC equals AE by BD, and this type of relation is also not correct. So you can say that the option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. That is, AD by AB equals AE by AC. AD by AB equals AE by AC is the correct relation. Next, take the question number 28. Here it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and their areas are in the ratio 25:9. If BC equals 5 cm, the length of QR is, here you know that this BC by QR you can use here. You know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and their areas are in the ratio 25:9. Areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So here you take, it is the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Then what is the square root of 9? That is 3. Here if you consider BC is 5, and its corresponding side QR must be 3. So the length of QR is 3 cm. What is the answer here? B. 3 cm is the answer. So you got the root of 25 is 5. That is the length of BC, and the length of QR, that is the corresponding sides of the side BC of the triangle ABC. So you will get, that is the root of 9, that is 3 cm. Next, let us take the question number 29. What is that question? The measure of 3 angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then the triangle is. Here it is given that equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, obtuse angle triangle. But these two are not possible, because the angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. So here we have to verify these two. Now you take 1x plus 2x plus 3x, that is equals to the sum of the 3 angles of the triangle. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x becomes 6x equals 180 degrees. So x equals, you will get 180 by 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are 30 degree you got. So 1x means 30 degree, 2x means 2 threes are 60 degree, 3x means 3 threes are 90 degree. So what type of triangle here? You got 90 degree measurement. So you can conclude it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angled triangle. So the option B is the correct answer. Now the question number 30. The true statement in the following. And what is the first statement? Two similar triangles are always congruent. It is wrong, because two similar triangles may be congruent or may not be congruent. So you can not agree this statement. So this is not true statement. B, option B, square and rectangle. Square and rectangle are always similar. It is also not possible, because the sides are not in the same proportion. Next, two equiangular triangles are always similar. Yes, it is correct. Two equiangular triangles are always similar because their sides are in the same proportion. So you can say that as their corresponding angles are equal, they must be similar. Fourth one is there, square and rhombus are always similar. It is also wrong because they are not equiangular. In square, all angles are 90 degree. In rhombus, they may not be 90 degree. So here, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. So note down the answer. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. Next, you take the question number 31. The lengths of tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it. You know that the lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from the external point, means from a point outside it, are always equal. They are equal. So you can take here, what you can take, they are equal. This is the answer, option B. Option B is the answer. B, they are equal. The lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it are always equal. So directly you can make out the answer. That is, answer is R equal, means that is the option B. Now question number 32. In the given circle with center O, ACB, AE and BD are the tangents. If AB equals 12 cm, AE equals 3 cm, the length of BD is. The length of BD is. Here children, you must know that tangents from the external points are equal in length. So you consider here B is the external point. Similarly, A is also external point. So these two are equal. Here also these two are equal. Here what is given? AB is given. And also AE is given. AE is how much? 3. This is 3, means this is also 3. Then this total length is given. What is the total length? 12. AB is 12, means 12 minus 3 you will get 9. So BD is also 9. Here this is 9, means this is also 9. Here you use the concept tangents from the external point are equal. Here you must take the help of this AE. This is 3, means this is also 3. And this you will get this whole length minus this 3, that is 9. So as this is 9, means this BD is also 9. So what is the answer here? Option D is the answer. Option D, that is 9 cm. What is the length of BD? Length of BD is 9 cm. Next you take the question number 33. In a circle with center O, the secant is. You know that secant is a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. Here chords are there. PQ and RQ are the chords which joins 2 points on the circle. But here the line which intersect the circle at 2 points is what? That is XY. That is XY. So here what is the secant? Secant is XY. What is the answer here? BXY is the answer. So you note down BXY, that is the secant to the circle with center O, as it cuts the circle or intersect the circle at 2 points. Now you take the question number 34. A student divided a line of length 9 cm in the ratio 2:3 geometrically as shown in the figure. The correct length of AM and BM obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. Here by calculation how will you get? Here the ratio is 2:3. So for this M, that is 2 parts. For this BM, that is 3 parts. So total length that becomes 2 plus 3, 5. You must divide 9 in the ratio 2:3 because the total length of AB is 9 cm. And the sum of the ratio is 2 plus 3, 5. You take here 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means what? 0.4. That into 9. That into 9 equals 3.4. And 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is 0.6. That into 9. You will get 5.4. So that is, you can take here 2 by 5 of 9. 3 by 5 of 9. 2 by 5 is 0.4 into 9 is 3.6. 3 by 5 is 0.6. So 0.6 into 9 is 5.4. So what is the answer here? The answer is 3.6, 5.4. So you note down the answer 3.6 and 5.4 means you know the dividing a given number in the given ratio, that is here 9 is to be divided in the ratio 2:3. So here we have to take the sum of the ratio in the denominator. So 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Next you take the question number 35. What is that question? The correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC given in the figure is. The correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC in the given figure is. Here first you observe the figure, then you can make out the answer directly. You know that it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. And here this is the hypotenuse. And you know that square on the hypotenuse is equals to what? Sum of the squares on the other two sides. So here C is there, here A is there. So you can take A square plus C square or C square plus A square. So here you know this, and next you try to find the answer. This relation is wrong because C square is there, here A square is there, here B square is there, but here minus is there. Here B square equals A square plus C square, that is according to Pythagoras theorem. So the option D equals B square equals A square plus C square is the answer. So you note down the answer. B square equals A square plus C square. Now you take the question number 36. What is that question? The volume and the surface area of a sphere is numerically equal. Then the radius of the sphere is. Volume and surface area of a sphere is numerically equal. Then the radius of the sphere. So you can take here volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Then you can cancel 5 here, 4 here. Then you will get r cube by 3 equals r square. Then that is r cube by r square equals 3. Then you will get r equals 3. Here r cube by r square is nothing but r. So you got r equals 3 units. So what is the answer? Option A is the answer. R was 3 units. That is the radius of the sphere is 3 units. You must know the formula for the volume of the sphere and also for the surface area of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Here 4 pi cancels. So you will get r cube by r square equals 3. So r equals 3 is the radius. Then the question number 37, a funnel given in the figure is combination of. Funnel given in the figure is the combination of, you can observe this part, upper part is the frustum of the cone and the lower part is the cylinder. So you can say a cylinder and a frustum of a cone. Cylinder and a frustum of a cone. So here what is the answer? The answer is B, a cylinder and a frustum of a cone. Cylinder and a frustum of a cone. Here you can observe that up to this portion, this is the frustum of a cone and this portion is a cylinder. So the option B is the answer. Here you note down the answer, that is option B. Next the question number 38. The solid is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and hemisphere are equal to r centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is h cm, the volume of the solid is. The volume of the solid is. Here two hemispherical portions are there and one cylindrical portion is there. So here you take the volume of the two hemispherical portion is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of the cylindrical portion is pi r square h. So it becomes 2 into 2 by 3 and pi r cube, pi r square is there. So you can remove 5r square outside. In the bracket, here 2 into 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. Here in r cube, what is remaining? R. And here h is remaining. H is remaining. So you can have 4 by 5 r square into 4 by 3 r plus h cm cube. So that you can find in the option A only. Option A is what? So 5r square is there and 4r by 3 is there in plus h is there. So that is the answer what you got here. Therefore option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Next, take the question number 39. What is that question? The height and the radius of the base of a cone are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively. Then the slant height of the cone. You know the relation among L, H and R. In the cone, the formula to find the slant height, if height and radius are given, you know that formula is L equals root H square plus R square. So here you must have the Pythagorean triplet. 12 and 5 is there. So next must be 12, 5 and 13. 13 is the Pythagorean triplet. Otherwise you get it here. H means you take H is the height 144. R is the radius. R square is 25. And you will get L equals 144 plus 25 is 169. Square root of 169 is 13. So if you know the Pythagorean triplet, you can get the answer directly. 12 and 5 is there, means the Pythagorean triplet having 12 and 5 is, that is 13 here. So you take the answer 13. So note down the answer C, that is option C is the answer, 13 cm. Next you take the question, last question, question number 40. What is that question? A frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of sphere. Then the volume of the sphere. Here you know that if one object is melted to form the other object, the volume will not change. Volume remains same. So here the first, what was the shape of the jaggery? Jaggery was in the shape of frustum. And next, after melting, what is the shape it got? It got sphere shape. So the volume will not change. So what you can say, take here, equal to the volume of the frustum. Volume of the sphere is equals to the volume of the frustum. Volume will not change. If the shapes are changed, surface area may change, but volume will not change. So what is the answer here? The answer is D, equal to the volume of the frustum. Its original shape. Before it has the shape of frustum of cone, and next it is converted into sphere, and the volume will not change, that is equals to the volume of the frustum only. So that completes 40th question. In this way, here you can solve the 40 questions easily by knowing the tricks what I have given in this